Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Flexiroam eSIM. In this video, I'm diving into my experience with Flexiroam's eSIM service. If you're considering giving it a try, I've included handy links in the description. Flexiroam is an eSIM solution designed specifically for globetrotters, digital nomads, and business professionals who require consistent connectivity across numerous countries. It offers a streamlined global data solution by enabling users to download an eSIM directly to their compatible device, eliminating the need for physical SIM cards. This is incredibly convenient for anyone needing reliable mobile data during international travel, whether for work, leisure, or educational purposes. One of Flexiroam's key strengths lies in its flexible data plans. They offer both regional and global packages, catering perfectly to travelers who want to stay connected without the worry of exorbitant roaming fees. The comprehensive global plan spans over 130 countries, while the regional plans provide more budget-friendly alternatives if your travels are confined to a specific geographic area. Flexiroam also offers data bundles that include voice calling and messaging capabilities, offering a complete mobile communication experience. Setting up Flexiroam was a breeze. Upon purchasing a plan, I received a QR code which activated the eSIM on my device within minutes. Flexiroam also provides a user-friendly app for managing your data, tracking usage, and topping up your plan when needed. The app's clean and intuitive interface simplifies monitoring data consumption and adjusting your plan as necessary. Performance-wise, Flexiroam delivered a consistently strong connection in most urban environments, providing fast speeds for web browsing, streaming, and video calls. Flexiroam collaborates with local carriers to ensure reliable coverage in major cities. Although I did encounter minor slowdowns in some rural locations, the overall performance was dependable across most travel destinations. Customer support is accessible through the app, and my inquiries were addressed promptly and efficiently. In conclusion, Flexiroam eSIM is an excellent option for travelers seeking flexible global data coverage. It's easy to set up, offers competitive pricing, and provides reliable performance across a wide range of destinations. If you need a simple, cost-effective solution to stay connected on your travels, Flexiroam is definitely worthy of consideration.